Hello students, now I will explain intermediate first year 1A matrices topic. Next definition is multiplication of matrices. If A and B be any two matrices, then the multiplication of A and B, that is A into B, AB, is possible only if the number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B. So when it is possible, children, in matrix multiplication, if number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B, means if you take example, let A is equals to Aij m into n, m by n matrix, and B is equals to Bij n into n by p matrix, n by p matrix, B2 matrices, then matrix C is equals to Cij. So what I told, number of columns of A is n, that should be equal to number of rows of column B, rows B, means what, here both values are same. So then what we can write, m by p, then what we can write, m by p, where Cij is equals to summation or sigma Aik Bkj is called the product of A and B and is denoted by AB. Thus AB is equal to Cij m by p, where Cij equal to sigma is Aik Bkj for k is equal to 1, 2, so on n. So B is equal to Bij n by p, A is equal to Aij m by n. If you are taking reverse, means see here, number of columns of A is not same as number of rows of B. Number of columns of B is not same as number of rows of A. So I have taken reverse. So it is not possible, not equal. Here P is there, here M is there. So condition failed. Here number of columns of B is not equal to number of rows of A. So matrix multiplication of B and A, BA is not possible. So product need not be equal. See children, now we will generally I will explain like this. See, if you are taking Aij, A equal to Aij 2 by 3 matrix, B is equal to Bij 3 by 4 matrix. So here this column and this row both are equal. So what we can say, 2 by 4. Order of AB is 2 by 4. Order of AB is 2 by 4 means 2 rows 4 columns. So 2 rows 4 columns you should get. So here we have taken 2 by 3 matrix, means 2 rows 3 columns, 2 rows 3 columns. Here 3 by 4 matrix means 3 rows 4 columns. So what is order we are getting? 2 by 4. 2 rows 4 columns, 4 columns. How we will get these 4 columns? We will see generally. R1 C1, row 1 column 1 we should multiply. R1 C2, R1 C3, R1 C4. Next what we should do? Row 2 column 1, row 2 column 2, row 2 column 3, row 2 column 4. So what this indicates, R1 C1 means sum of product of first row elements of A with corresponding elements of first column of B. So this indicates, R1 C1 indicates sum of product of first row elements of A with the corresponding elements of first column of B. R1 C2 indicates sum of product of first row elements of A with corresponding elements of second column of B. So we will see one example now. We will see one example. So here I have taken example, A is equals to 2 3 1 0 minus 1 5, 2 by 3 matrix. B is equals to 1 3 4 minus 4 2 minus 1 0 3 5 0 4 7 minus 6, 3 by 4 matrix. See here column is 3, here row is 3. Satisfied condition. So next AB, what I am doing, see here this first row and first column. see 2 into, in B matrix, what is the first row element, first column element? 1. So 2 into 1 plus sum. I told sum means what we should do, addition, plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 into 0 over. Next, first row with second column we should do. Now whatever I did first, first row with first column only I did sum. Next, what should I do? First row with second column. So what is that? 2 into 3 plus 3 into 0 plus 1 into 4. Next, what I should do? First row with third column. I have to do sum. So what is that? 2 into minus 4. 2 into minus 4 plus 3 into 3 plus 1 into 7. 1 into 7 I wrote. Next, what I should do? First row with fourth column. So 2 into 2. 2 into 2 plus next element is 3. Here next element is 5. 3 into 5 plus here what is the next element? 1. Here minus 6. 1 into minus 6. Similarly, what should I do? Second row with first column, second row with second column, second row with third column, second row with fourth column, means 0 into 1. Similarly, you will get 0 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 5 into 0. Next, 0 into 3 plus minus 1 into 0 plus 5 into 4. That only I wrote. Next, 0 into minus 4 plus minus 1 into 3 plus 5 into 7. Next, 0 into 2 plus minus 1 into 5. Next, 5 into minus 6. So next, what I did, 2 ones are 2. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 1 into 0 is 0. Next, 2 3s are 6. 3 zeros are 0. 1 4s are 4. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. 3 3s is 9. 1 7 is 7. Next, 2 2s are 4. 3 5s are 15. Next, 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. Next, 0 into 1, 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Why? Because minus into minus is plus. Next, 5 into 0 is 0. Next, 0 3 are 0. Minus 1 into 0, 0. 5 4s are 20. Next, 0 into minus 4, 0. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. 5 7s are 35. Next, 0 into 2 is 0. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Minus 5 into 6 is minus 30. So next, 2 I wrote as it is. Plus into minus how much? Minus 3. 6 plus 4, 10. Next, minus 8 plus 9 is, big number is having positive symbol. So 9 minus 8 is 1. I wrote 7 as it is. Next, I wrote 4 as it is. 15 minus 6 how much? 9. Next, 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 20 is 20. So plus into minus is minus. So minus 3 plus 35 how much? Big number having plus symbol. 35 minus 3 is 32. Next, 0 plus into minus how much? Minus. Plus into minus how much? Minus. Minus 5 minus 30 how much? Minus 35. You have to add both negative integers and write minus symbol. So minus 5 minus 30 is how much? Minus 35. So here 2 minus 3 how much? Minus 1. 10 I wrote as it is. 1 plus 7 is 8. 4 plus 9 is 13. 1 I wrote as it is 20. 32 minus 35. So AB value is how much? This we got. This completes our problem. So next, find a square if a is equals to 4 2 minus 1 1. 2 by 3 2 by 2 square matrix I have taken. So a square means what? Here 2 by 2 matrix I have taken. This and this element are same. So this also equal. A square means a into a. So a I wrote 2 times. So first row, first column you should do. 4 into 4 plus 2 into minus 1. Again first row with second column. 4 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Next, second row with first column. minus 1 into 4 plus 1 into minus 1. Next second row with second column. So minus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. That only I wrote. For 4 is 16. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 4 to the 8. 2 1 the 2. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 1. So here I wrote 16 as it is. Plus into minus is minus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. So minus 4 I wrote as it is. Plus into minus is minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1, big number having minus sign. So write minus. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So overall answer is minus 1. So 16 minus 2 is how much? 14. 10 I wrote as it is. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 and minus 1. Next, properties of multiplication of matrices. First property is associative property. AB into C is equals to A into BC. Next, distributive property. A plus B into C is equals to AC plus BC. This is right distributive law. Next, A into B plus C is nothing but AB plus AC. Here we are sending C inside. Here we are sending A inside. So this is left to distributive law. Left to distributive law. Multiplicative identity. Next one. IA is equals to AI is equals to A, where I is identity matrix of order n. So I is called multiplicative identity. So if A and B are matrices of order 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, then AB exists of order 2 by 4 and BA does not exist. See here, A, what is the order I have taken? 2 by 3, B 3 by 4. So here column and row both are same. So this is equal. So next, if you do reverse, B 3 by 4 and A 2 by 3. Here column is 4, here row is 2. Not matching. So condition is 4. Failed. So AB is of order 2 by 4. 2 by 4. BA not possible. Similarly, take next example. If A and B are the matrices of order 4 by 1 and 2 by 4, then AB does not exist and B exists of order 2 by 1. So A I have taken 4 by 1 matrix, B 2 by 4. So here column 1, row 2. Condition is failed. AB is not possible. Do reverse. B 2 by 4, A 4 by 1. Here column 4, row also 4. Okay. So satisfied. So BA is possible of possible. Order is how much? 2 by 1. Next, if A and B are matrices of order 2 by 3 and 3 by 2, then AB exists of order 2 by 2 and B exists of order 3 by 3. So here 2 by 3, B 3 by 2 I have taken. So here column 3, row also 3, satisfied. So AB is of order 2 by 2. And here see here, B 3 by 2, A 2 by 3. Column same, row same. BA is of order 3 by 3. So here orders came, but order here 2 by 2 came, here order 3 by 3 came. We cannot say equal. So AB is not same as BA. So next, this is the identity. So for identity it is possible. IA is equals to AI is equals to A. Next, identity multiplication. This is multiplicative identity. So next, for this also it is possible. 0 into O is equals to 0. A into 0 is equals to 0 into A is equals to 0. So for these two conditions it is satisfied. It will satisfy for every conditions. Why? Because I means what will take? According to 2 by 2 means I will take as 1 0 0 1. 3 by 3 means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So here A value any they will give 0 means we will take all zeros only. 2 by 2 means what will take 0 0 0 0 0. So if you take your example, A is equals to 0 minus 1 0 2, B is equals to these values are given. I want to find AB. So first row with first column, 0 into 3 plus minus 1 into 0. Next first row with second column, 0 into 5 plus minus 1 into 0. Next second row with first column, so 0 into 3 plus 2 into 0. Next second row with second column, 0 into 5 plus 2 into 0. So whatever I have taken, So here 0 plus 0 into 3, 0 only. Minus 1 into 0 is 0 only. 0 into 5, 0 only. Minus 1 into 0, 0 only. So 0, 0, 0, 0. So we got A, B is all zeros only. But we have to check for BA also. So BA means take reverse. So here row column, first row with first column, 3 into 0 plus 5 into 0. Next, first row with second column. So 3 into minus 1 plus 5 into 2. Second row with first column, 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0. Next, second row with second column, 0 into minus 1 plus 0 into 2. So 3 into 0 is 0, 5 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, plus 5 into 2 is 10, 0, here also 0. So here overall we are getting minus 3 plus 10 how much? 7. We got different values. So AB is not equal to BA. Next session I will continue some more problems.